Hey, subscribe our channel and hit bell icon for get more videos about this.
Welcome to How-to-ans. I'm Titu from tutorial.com. Today I'm going to be telling you that how we can create a YouTube channel on laptop or computer. For that you don't have to do much more. You have to just visit on youtube.com as going to be shown on your screen. After that you have to just sign in to your account, any account which is created on Gmail or anywhere else. You have to use Google email account. If you don't know how to create a Gmail account or Google account, you will find a video about on I button. Now click on sign in and you will be asked about your email address and your password, and you will be signed into your email into your account. After that you have to just follow these steps. You have to just click over this icon which is going to be shown over here, and after that you have to click on my channel. When you click on my channel, you will be asked about that create a channel. Now you have to enter your name or anything else and you have to click on create channel. This is a default channel. You don't have to change this name, because if you change this name your whole email address and profile will be changed. So don't change this, don't try to change this, because this is according to your name. Now you have to just visit again over here, and after that you have to click on switch account. When you click on switch account, you will see these options. You have to click on this. After that you have to create a new account. I am going to tell you that how you can create a new account. You have to just click on profile icon again. When you click on profile icon, you will see these type of options when you visit on your account. After that you have to click on this settings gear icon. When you click on settings gear icon, you will see these type of option, and over here you will find a option about create a new channel. You have to just click on this option, and you will be asked about your brand name. Okay, you have to choose your brand name. Taken a name for just for example. After that you may choose your own name and click on create. When you click on create, ta-da, that's it, your account has been created. You all set to be used. You have to choose a profile picture and anything else you want to choose over here. Want to upload any video, you have to just upload these from over here. When you click on upload, you will be asked about uploading your video. This is your channel, okay, by default. If you want to choose it default, don't ask again, and okay, you will be signed into your account and this new channel has been created for you. Hope you understand that how to create a YouTube channel on laptop or computer. In the I button you will find about that how to create YouTube channel on mobile and any Android device.
Hey, hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. Share this video with Facebook, WhatsApp and so on, and subscribe our channel and hit